This is Dana. She is a 23-year-old introvert from the Bahamas. She likes to sing, create vlogs, and has an unusual fascination with upgrading her life. Welcome to her channel. You should subscribe if you're interested in seeing her glow up despite her chaotic life and background. Now let's see what she's up to today.
Washing this out, and I just had to show y'all like the length of my hair. See if y'all can see it. And the reason it's not showing like when it's dry is because my hair isn't perm properly. So y'all see like how long that is? Who you know? Who you know? Hair ain't perm properly though.
Y'all don't know me for real? Like, be for real. Oh my gosh.
I'm Renee. I have words for you. But if that was me, my hair is looking a little bit healthier, I guess. Like it is. I still need, yes, honey. Thank you, babe. Yeah, the long red nails. I think I saw De'Ara had these on. She currently has them on right now. Megan Thee Stallion has them on. Not to say it like I don't have an identity of my own, but I think it's cute for Valentine's Day. So, and you know what, I have a signature style of stiletto. I don't get anything else. I hate the square shape. But I'll see y'all tomorrow at my appointment.
I'm trying to stay up on my iPhone. Told my bitch I love you. That was just a typo. That bitch drive me crazy. She gon' make me psycho. Everything I miss, something only I know. Hey, trying to stay up on my iPhone. Told my bitch I love you. That was just a typo. That bitch drive me crazy. She gon' make me psycho. Everything I miss, something only I know. Hey, I'm a legend just like Michael. My bitch is ungrateful, so I'm out with my style. She gon' treat me different. I should make her my hoe. She don't need no surgery. She don't got no life, oh, but she got that ass though. Told her how to throw it right. She treat me like a motorcycle, ride me like a motorbike. I just took off check speed, yeah, and made 100K off the show. I just made 50K off a weed, yeah, you know I like to play with your hoe. I choke her and pull out a weed. I told her, babe, I gotta go. Begging me stay over, please. I gotta leave, boo. I don't wanna mislead you. I just wanna please you. She looked and said me too. So I let her ride out. She like how we vibe out. When I flip up my phone up, I'ma push you a time out. Cause I'm trying to.
Hey y'all, so I'm supposed to record the process of me getting my hair done and all that, but I was supposed to get my hair done in the city, right? Meaning I would have to fly out to get my hair done. I don't know why I booked the appointment for 3 o'clock if my flight is late. But long story short, I had to cancel that appointment. So I just ended up letting my cousin do my hair. And my cousin always does a good job, like eats down. Like she really does. Now I still have to touch it up a little bit and like curl it and stuff like that. Other than that, I'm about to go to sleep. So nails is done, hair is done, toes are done. I shaped up my eyebrow a little bit. So the only thing else I have to do is my lashes. And I am doing them in the morning because I don't want to sleep on my lashes. And then when I wake up in the morning, I have to do them over. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna wrap up my hair and I'm about to go to sleep. It's 10:45. Alright y'all, so I'm about to show y'all what's in my suitcase. It's a lot going on in there. Like, it's full to the capacity. Put my hand on and I'm gonna need my tripod. I think I changed my mind from showing y'all what's in my suitcase because I can't go in there. It's too much stuff all over the place. And as you can see, it's not packed. It's not packed properly. But this is my favorite thing in my suitcase so far. And I just can't wait to wear this. Like, what? I can't wait to wear this. And take pictures like... The battery life on this camera is ridiculous. I have to tell y'all, I break a nail. How did I break a nail? I jammed my finger in the car door. I'm so drunk, I couldn't even feel it. And I'm mad about it. And I contacted my nail tech, Mari. Apparently, she's too busy. I decided to let it go and like just go on my trip with my broken nail. You know, I pay a good penny for these nails and I wanted it fixed, man. I really did. I ordered these strips from Shein, and basically you're supposed to put it on your nose to extract the whiteheads and stuff. Let me see if y'all can see any of my whiteheads. But I'll leave it on for maybe like 20 minutes and then take it off. I honestly don't think it can work. It's my lashes. And I want some dramatic lashes. When I want to fly away. Like I want, when you see me coming, I don't want you to see me first. I want you to see my lashes first. Tweezers. And the bond glue. And I have to look over here, so excuse me. I can't. My nose running, eye watering. Cut the show. Take me off. Cut the show. It's supposed to be a little tacky and I'm just rushing to put it on like an ass. So let's let it dry and I'll be back. We doing it. For real. She just doing what she wanna do. Like, I don't have any more space in the corner there to put another lash, so here we go. Is the whiteheads in the room with us? I just wasted my money. I hate when I waste my money. Ain't shit come out. Nothing on my face. I'll just have to do a scrub in the morning, and I'll show y'all that when I getting ready for my flight. Got it, Grwm, got it, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Standing overseas in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to shoot your voice, babe. It's been 1 hour to be exact, right? I really don't have to show y'all this, but like I have an addiction to my camera. I don't know if y'all know this. I love y'all. Like I really do love the quality of this camera. It's drying out. I think it's supposed to go clear, like completely clear. Maybe I'll leave it on for maybe 1 more hour and take it off. Y'all probably not gonna see that, but in the meantime, between time, y'all, good night. I'm gonna take this off and I'm going to bed. So good night. The lashes holding on. I wish I did them a little longer, but they still cute.